Hello everyone, my name is TF52, also known as Thomas the red-engine here. 안녕하세요 여러분, TF52 토마스 the red-engine이 여기 있습니다. 자 여러분, 여기에 we got a new update. The North Spencer added to Photo Simulator. Yay, is my favorite character from Thomas and Friends, Gordon's cousin. So let's mission. So we are going to Marin Station. This is Duke and Duchess house, and this is Duke's boxboard, and Spencer is skin shop, and Spencer special coach. Yay! My favorite character from Thomas and Friends. So let's ride with Thomas the Tank Engine. Yay, it's my favorite character from Thomas and Friends. So Thomas is going to Duke Duchess house to get a new mission. Oops. Let's switch the points to Dock Point Pond, and we're almost